Experiencing call issues on Consumer Cellular? It often stems from VoLTE, Voice over LT, or IMS, IP multimedia subsystem problems. Since Consumer Cellular operates on AT&T's network and mandates VoLTE for new activations, ensure your device supports 4G, 5G for voice. First, check for common culprits: outdated SIM cards or incorrect device settings. Over 90% of reported cases are fixable by users. Outdated SIM cards can cause issues. Try toggling airplane mode or resetting network settings. Manually update your APN to CCD data if necessary. For iPhone users, verify VoLTE is enabled and try Wi-Fi calling as a temporary solution. Android users may need device-specific tweaks. Consult online forums like Android Central for model-specific APN settings. If problems persist, contact Consumer Cellular support for a SIM replacement or firmware update. If basic troubleshooting fails, ensure your device firmware is up to date. Outdated software can cause IMS mismatches. Consumer Cellular's app can also check for carrier updates. Remember the minor outage in August 2025? These issues can sometimes be on Consumer Cellular AT&T's end. Check their website or social media for announcements. Looking ahead, the shift to 5G VR, voice over new radio, promises seamless calls. By 2026, expect devices to auto-configure IMS via OTA updates, reducing user intervention. Consumer Cellular aims to use AI-driven diagnostics to predict call failures. Rural users with spotty 4G coverage might benefit from future satellite integration. If all else fails, consider the experts' opinions. CTOs at Consumer Cellular have stated in a 2025 interview that 90% of call problems are user configurable, and our AI tools will eliminate the rest by 2027.